Hi guys, how's everyone? It's me Jera once again and welcome back to my channel.
I can't believe it every day and night. You are the only one who's on my mind.
For today's video guys, papakita ko sa inyo ang aking balcony garden. I have a garden here in our balcony. Actually at first, tinaray ko lang but it works. Mga nabuhay yung mga tinaray kong plant and vegetables guys. I would like to tell you na if you want to start gardening now, it's better to start now. Especially if nakaka-quarantine pa rin kayo. Naniniwala ako sa kasabihang pag may itinim, may aanihin. Yan. Yes guys. So, diba? Habang nasa bahay tayo guys, we'll find other way to be productive. So, since nasa bahay lang ako guys, I find gardening as a productive hobbies. So, at least kahit papano, meron akong ihintayin na i-harvest. Diba? Okay, so guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga natry kong plants and vegetable na nabuhay by only taking those vegetables that you can buy from the grocery shops. Like yung onion guys, binili lang namin siya sa supermarket and then I tried. Guys, napan ko sa YouTube na it's really easy to grow onion at home. So, tinry ko, sinubukan ko lang and then it really works. Nakabuhay ako guys. It's really fun doing it guys. So, okay guys, pakita ko na sa inyo guys ang aking mga pananim. So, these are my onions. I think naipakita ko na sa inyo ito nung last video ko. Ito yung mga onion ko. This is actually from kitchen waste, guys. So, sinubukan ko. So, okay naman siya nabuhay. Ayan, guys. So, tinabi ko lang yung mga can ng wines. Ito, tomato to. Madami kong tomato. Yung iba na ilipat ko na sa garden. Ayan. Ito, maliit pa. Ang liit niya. And then, ito, tomato din siya. Maliit siya kasi walang space, I think, kaya hindi siya nag-grow. And then, this here, this one, really lots of tomatoes, guys. I really need to transfer this in a big pot or a big container. This is too bushy here already. And this one, guys, is a cabbage. So, it's actually from supermarket also. I cut it and then nakita ko meron na siyang tumubo. Nag-sprout na siya. Then I tried to plant it. And then ayan na siya guys. Nagbibigay na siya sa akin ng seed. Ayan. Hinihintay ko itong mga seeds na to from the flowers na mag-drop. Pag nag-drop yan, magiging seeds na siya. So, ang dami niya guys. Ito. Ayan. Ayan, ang dami niya. Actually, may mga nahulog na siya. Ito, naipon ko siya here. Ito, yung maliliit na seeds na yan is from this flower. Then, this one, guys. This is my echeveria. So, ayan guys, nabuhay na rin siya. Oh, if you can see, guys. Meron na siyang roots. Yan. Oh, hinihintay ko na lang siyang magkaroon ng baby echeveria. May roots na siya. It's only from the leaves of my echeveria. Ayan. So, minimize ko lang yan. And then, eto, may nabuhay na ako actually here. Dalawa. Ayan. Naon na to. Yung iba namatay. So, dalawa. I got two here. They have baby already. The other one is here. So, nakakatuwa guys dahil nakabuhay na ako. Ito guys, ano to? Seed to na. This is the seed of the onion. Iniipon ko siya from this, from this flower. May nahuhulog kasi. Ayan, like this one. Ayan, nakita nyo guys. Ayan. Pwede ko siyang i-plant. So, let's just leave it there. Meron pa ako guys. I have 3 more plants here guys. This guy here, this one, and this one, the last one. This is from seeds guys. These 3 we bought from the supermarket and then I tried to plant and then see it's already all tall. So waiting for them to have to give me flowers. So as for these two guys, this one is Hymenocallis. The other one then is Gladiolus. Yes, this one is really very tall now. About 16 inches tall already. 12 inches. This one's like 12 inches tall, the leaves, and then this one. Actually, these two are the same plants. So these are the other plants that I have, guys. So this onion, you know, this onion is actually from the kitchen only, guys. So now it's giving me seeds. Yes, so that's the seed, guys. So I'm gonna make a video how to take the seeds and keep, and then you can plant it. Got tomatoes there. See my tomatoes, it's growing so fast. This actually from the tomato seeds. And so tinanim ko lang din siya. I tried, and then I got so many tomatoes. I didn't know that kapag tinanim mo siya, yung seeds lang niya, ang bilis niya mabuhay. In just few weeks, meron ka ng tomatoes. Then, ayan, transfer ko lang siya dito sa bigger pot para makahinga siya, para mas mag-grow siya. So, meron na akong isang malaki dito. Itong isa na to, super laki na niya. Nag-iisa, ito. This one grows so big. This is the only one that growing up so big. And then this is the other one. The others are still small. Yeah, meron pa siyang mga maliliit dun sa loob. Then there's two guys there. I just bought from the supermarket. Yeah, so it's a flowering plant. And then this one is tomato again. And then this is small baby here. Oh, yes, this one is mini flower, guys. It's really mini. It's really so cute. Yeah, binili to ng biyanan ko para sa akin. Ayan, oh. Nung binili to, maliit pa. Yung flower niya ngayon, nag-bloom na siya. Then, there's another tomato, guys. So, malaki na rin siya kasi nakaseparate siya ng container. So, kung meron kayong mga plastic container, don't throw. You can use it for planting. Like this one. And then, this one is parsley, guys. Ayan. So, gumamit lang din ako ng recycled container here for the parsley. Ayan siya. I got two actually here. This one is bought from the supermarket. This parsley. This one is from the seed. Yes. Then this one actually from my mother-in-law also. She gave me this one. So, lagi ko siyang kinukuhanan dahil lagi ako nagluluto ng spaghetti. So, ayan na siya. Lagi. Kaya, ang liit na. Ang dami niyang ano dito cut. Even this one. Ayan o. May new growth lang. Naubos ko na siya. And then, these two guys here is another tomato. Yes, I transferred it here. I just transferred it here. The others I already transferred in the garden. And then, this two is still small. That's why I didn't transfer. And I got chili here, guys. This chili we bought from the supermarket. Yan. So, nabinili namin to. Ano pa siya? It's still green. Ngayon, ayan. Red na siya. Pwede nang i-harvest soon. Itong guys, malapit na siyang i-harvest. And then, marami siyang maliliit din. Ayan. May maliliit na siya. And this one, guys, is a pasensya. Yes, this is my plants since December. So, buhay pa siya until now. Ayan. Naputol lang yung ganito niya. Yung isang stem niya. Then, tinuhog ko lang dito. Ayan, nabuhay na. Nakikita ko nabuhay na siya. Oh, meron na tumubo. May nag-sprout na siyang leaves doon. So, it's already alive. And this one is my most favorite one. The Echeveria. Naaliw akong mag-alaga nito ngayon, guys. Itong Echeveria. Yan o, ang cute niya. Ang ganda niyang nakakatanggal ng stress. It's really very stress reliever pag nakikita ko yung aking mga plants. Ayan, napakalusog niya. Look so happy. Actually, I already took some leaves from here to propagate. The one that you saw, I took from here, and when I took from here, and the leaves become only few, and then now you can see it's a lot of leaves again. So I need to remove some leaves from here so I can propagate. So I'm gonna show you how to propagate this. I'm gonna use the other method, water propagation. Yes, I'm gonna show you guys. If you want to learn, you can watch that. And these two guys here, these two tray guys here is a marigold. This is a marigold I planted on May 7, as you can see on the label. Marigold May 7, 20. So it's been, I think, it's been how many days now? Is so guys, it's been 10 days since I planted it. So ito na yung ang kanyang result. So some seed actually never sprout. Yeah, I put some here, actually two each slot here, but here no, I didn't see anything here, and then here as well, and then here. So no. Hi Yashas. Okay, so this is the marigold. So I'm waiting for it to grow more so I can transplant two individually pot. Then my husband just bought gardenia, guys. Ito, bumili siya ng gardenia. This one. Malapit na siyang mamulaklak, o meron na siyang ano dito. So hinihintay ko na lang na mag-bloom siya. Ayan. Marami na siyang bulaklak. It's a gardenia. Nag-research ako about this. It's really very difficult to take care, they said. Yeah, because gardenia doesn't want direct sunlight. So that's why dito lang siya sa balcony namin. Ayan. Gardenia also doesn't want so much water. So I seldom water it, guys. So I'm touching it whether it's still warm. So I seldom water it. So I only water it when I check that it's too dry. If that's why it's too dry, then I have to water it. But I'm only watering 1 cup of water. So let's see if mag-bloom yung flower niya after weeks or after months. Ayan, guys. Maliit pa siya. It's already big actually, guys. Ayan. Ganyan siya kalaki. Oo. Mas kaya na ng lumalaki daw to, guys. So, I have to take care of this. And, by the way, guys, yung gardenia flower pala, you can search. Na-smell ko siya, kaya binili ng husband ko kasi he likes the smell of this. This is the flower that he wants. So, that's why he bought. And then, yeah, it has a very nice smell. It's like actually sampagita smell. Normally, it's a white flowers, guys. So, kapag nag-bloom yan, papakita ko sa inyo, guys. I-update ko kayo. So, it's really good to have plants or garden at home, guys. So, nakakatuwa, nakakaaliw. And then, it's really a good hobby. So, by the way, guys, merong kabibili lang dito ng husband ko. Bumili siya ng strawberry. Ito, oh. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, nasa plastic pa. So, I'm going to replant it in one of the pot here. This pot. I'm going to reuse this pot because, see, the plant here is actually mint. I'm trying whether it will grow, but it's been 1 week already, but it's still dead. You see, this two guys here still dead. Only the mint, I think, is alive. This one, this is mint, guys. So I'm going to replant this strawberry there since we got one here. So ayan, guys, ito yung strawberry. Ayan, this is the strawberry, guys. Because my husband want to have a strawberry, so bumili siya ng isa na try niya. No, actually, last week pa siya naghahanap nito, pero laging walang stock dun sa, sa wet market. So, buti ngayon today, ayan, since nagpunta siya sa wet market this morning, So, ayan, nakabili siya ng isa. So, what I want to try. Actually, I have seeds of strawberry, but from the fresh fruit. I took from the fresh fruit, but I haven't tried to plant it. I bought some video from YouTube, and then it shows there that it's like tomato only when you plant it. You just have to scrape from the skin of the strawberry and then plant the skin together with the seeds. So it's really easy to plant. So maybe I will try someday to plant the seeds that I have collected. Maybe hopefully it will go into sprout or germinate, guys. So ayun guys, so let's just plant this little strawberry here. This is a mint, guys. So I'm gonna remove it. I don't want to ready. Alright guys, so we're done. So I already watered our strawberry. Yeah. So it's looking healthy guys. So let's see after few days or 1 week. Yeah, let's see after a few days if it's not going to die, guys. So I'm gonna update you for my strawberry, guys. Yes, looking healthy. See the leaves? Yeah.